Learn today. Let us look at alphabet W and its phonics sound. Capital letter W, small letter w. The sound of W is wa. Watermelon. W, wa, watermelon. Water. W, wa, water. Well. W, wa, well. Watch. W, wa, watch. Whale. W, wa, whale. Web. W, wa, web. Wasp. W, wa, wasp. Window. W, wa, window. Warm. W, wa, warm. Wolf. W, wa, wolf. Walrus. W, wa, walrus. Wheel. W, wa, wheel. W sound rhyme. Watching the whales, waving in the water, waving in the water, wah, wah, wah. Watching the whales, wah, 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 waving in the water. Activity. W is for watermelon. In a white paper, cut a W shape as shown. Ask the kid to color the outline green and the inside red to make a watermelon. Trivia time starts with W. We can see the time on a watch. W, wa, watch. What is that on a bus that goes round and round? Wheels. W, wa, wheels. The wheels on a bus go round and round. The biggest animal on earth. Whale. W, wa, whale. Thanks for watching.